Good afternoon, y'all. We're just out here at this dairy farm doing a 90-yard pour.
First and ASW second one, aren't they? Yeah.
We poured for these guys a lot in the past. Good to pour fast and pour thick. Use a roller screed. You can see that over top of the concrete right now. Fiber mesh, and then I wet set the rebar afterwards, for anybody wondering. But they're good at pouring a lot of concrete in a short period of time. They're only about 4 or 5 miles from the yard, so they're close by for a nice quick pour. Going by pretty quickly. Yeah, you guys may have over-ordered today. Oh, okay. You could clear that with Nelson first. He ordered 100 yards. I think he may have over-ordered this time. That's a first. I think they definitely over-ordered too much. Unless they're planning on pouring something else out, which these guys, I wouldn't be surprised. I know, right?
They're really close to the end. They might be doing the front of that driveway, remember?
y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.